I ni yma heddiw yn Abereiron Ceredigion sy'n drafod teithio cymunedol a siwt mae mudiadau yn gallu ehangu ar y gwasanaethau maen nhw yn darparu o fewn y sir hefyd.
It's the first time I've been to a hackathon. It's a sort of cauldron, if you like, of ideas, with people swapping ideas and people just fizzing really with thoughts about what we can do.
I came today because I'm passionate about the future in Ceredigion, and I know transport is a very large part of that. It affects young people a lot.
I'm here with some of our members of CTA to listen to the ideas that communities have about what might serve them.
Unless you live on a main road, you don't have access to any public transport.
For a lot of young people, it's important that they go out and socialise in the evenings, but a lot of buses don't run at that time.
I find I'm ferrying my daughter to get her from the nearest bus route.
So many people live remotely because it's such a remote county and access is needed.
Some of the ideas have come up have been really good.
There was an emphasis on volunteers and the need for volunteers to support communities to develop transport that meets their needs.
It's really interesting hearing of the different ideas that people have had, like renting bikes, being able to get a lift with your neighbours.
I really like the idea of the carpooling and maybe having like a membership where people feel a bit more invested and in control of their transport.
Dim ond 3 canolfan teithio llesol sydd gyda ni. Hoffwn ni gweld fwy o'r rheina'n ehangu. Sicrhau mai dim ond ar bus mae pobl yn gallu mynd. Maen nhw'n gallu mynd ar beic, maen nhw'n gallu mynd I gerdded.
I think we could be a lot smarter in how we use digital networks to enable us to communicate how to move and where we're going, and if you can share lifts.
The event has been excellent. It's good to have so many people here all talking together.
Out of today, we have seen that no idea is a bad idea.
There's been so much energy today in the room. It would be really great to continue that energy, whether we do successive events or whether we actually get an action group to start.
Every person in Wales should have transport that meets their needs, is accessible and is affordable. So having these conversations, they are with the people that know their communities the best, so they will find the solution to ensure we never leave anyone behind.